What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to take you through what I eat in a day, as well as show you just a day in the life of what life looks like for us. All right, so it is 5:23 a.m. I have a client in like 7 minutes. So the first thing that I like to do is have my coffee. Thankful for Toya. She set up the coffee maker last night, so all I have to do is pour up. Again, I like to have my coffee black. If you saw Toya's what I eat in a day, she likes to drink. Her coffee looks like chocolate milk. I don't agree with that. At that point, it's not even coffee. Is that coffee?
First of all,
no.
It is coffee, number one. I still taste the coffee. I just like to add a lot of
milk. So I just like to have my coffee black, 1 sugar. I use stevia. I don't really do just plain sugar. And then I just mix this in with this little mixer. I really don't need to. I just like using this. We'll link this in the description. It's such a convenient tool to just mix your coffee. Toya loves this thing. And then along with my coffee, I like to have an ice water. I try to drink at least 4 to 5 of these a day. This is a 32-ounce glass. And if you know me, I like to drink everything out of a mason jar. All right, so I'm gonna get to my client right now. In a couple hours, I'll bring you back for some breakfast and then show you the whole day. All right, so I have about 25 minutes before my next client. I'm gonna make a quick breakfast. I'm gonna show you what my breakfast looks like. I typically am not a breakfast person. I usually kind of fast until about 12 or 1 o'clock. But lately, my mornings, the evening, up until the afternoons are usually stacked. So I have to get in something in my system, especially before my workout. So I'm gonna show you a quick breakfast sandwich that I like to eat. It's filling and it holds me over until lunch. All right, so I was gonna make a turkey bacon, egg and cheese sandwich, but we didn't have any turkey bacon. I thought we had some. So I'm gonna make a quick kind of veggie egg sandwich. We're gonna start off with these like sandwich thins. This is something that we've been using lately. I'm gonna throw these on the broiler just to get a nice little toast. All right, next I'll chop up a few mushrooms. Then I'm gonna throw a little spinach on here. All right, next I'll throw about a half a serving of cheese on the side. You know, I'm low-key lactose intolerant, but I'm one of those stubborn people that just loves cheese. All right, and then lastly, I'm going to cut up a little bell pepper. So we got our eggs. We'll just crack those in a bowl. Give it a quick little whisk. All right, now what I'm gonna do, just kind of fire up a pan right here. Throw nice little oil. I'm gonna throw the peppers on first, and then I like to throw the mushrooms on as well. All right, this is almost done. I'm gonna set this to the side. I think my bread should be nice and toasted. Oh, perfect. Nice little toast on my little thins here. Now I'm gonna toss in my eggs. Okay, I got 2 whole eggs here. So we'll just kind of toss that in. And then also now we'll add our spinach. All right, so now that we kind of have our little egg scramble mixture, we'll just add a little cheese. So now we'll just throw our little egg scramble onto the bun. All right, lastly, I'll add about a half of a medium avocado to the top, kind of smash it on. Lastly, I will top this off with everything but the bagel seasoning. We'll just toss this right over the top. Also, sorry, I like to add a little red chili flakes just to give it a little heat, a little flavor to it right on top of the avocado. Pop the lid on. And there we have it. Nice little breakfast egg veggie sandwich. Cool, so that's my breakfast sandwich, quick and easy. Did this in like 10 minutes or so. I'm missing my turkey bacon. I'll show you that another day, but this veggie egg sandwich looks pretty fire. So I'm gonna eat this real quick, then get on to my next client, and then I'll see you back. We're gonna film some workouts and stretches and stuff for YouTube, so I'll see you back then. All right, so we just finished training for the day, which rarely happens. So right now, we usually shoot content on Wednesday, so we're gonna move all of our furniture around. A lot of you asked, do you move your furniture around to shoot your content, to make space? Yes, so we're gonna turn this living room into our fitness studio, all right? So, you ready?
Let's do it.
This honestly doesn't take that long. All right, and that's it. Just transformed our living room, and this is how we set up to shoot. So what are we filming today, actually?
Today we are shooting some stretches.
This is our cheat sheet. We write all of our exercises on this. Helps us stay organized and knowing what the workout is. We got our B cam over here, and then this is where the A cam goes. This is, well, I have the A cam in my hand, but. And then our last camera for stretches, we like to leave this little clip up here for our GoPro. So we're gonna attach this up top so that you have a good view of what the stretches are supposed to look like.
What's up, everyone?
What's up?
Welcome back to another video.
All right, so we just finished filming for YouTube and for our app. We shot a couple stretches, which was perfect because today is my kind of rest recovery day. But on these days, I like to get in a little run or some sort of cardio just to keep my body moving. So I'm gonna go on a quick little maybe 2 or 3 mile jog, come back, and then I'll take you through my lunch. I'm going on a run. How fast should I run today? I'm doing 3 miles. What's my pace?
You do a first mile at an 8-minute mile.
Okay.
Second mile, 6.5.
6.5? What are you trying to do to me?
Give me a 22-minute 5K. My bad.
22-minute 5K. Got you.
Have fun, be safe.
I will. All right, so just finished my run, showered up already, and luckily I already have some meals prepared because last night we made some one-pan meals. So we actually have 2 different meals. I have a salmon, some stir-fried veggies, and broccoli. And then we made a chicken, some broccoli, and then sweet potatoes. So all we did was just put those on a single pan, bake them all the way through, and we made some extra so that we'll have some for lunch today. And we made 2 different ones. So I want the chicken. I think I'm gonna do the salmon and broccoli and veggies, and then I'll save the sweet potatoes and chicken for Toya's. I'll just pop this in the microwave. We're good to go. All right, just made my lunch. Honestly, I'm still hungry and I need some extra protein. So I'm gonna show you my quick little meal replacement smoothie. So first I'll start off with about 6 ounces of water, a couple scoops of protein, half cup of blueberries, a half a cup of strawberries, do a 1/3 cup of oats, and then 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Next, we'll pull out the bullet, pop the top on the lid, give it a little shake, then give it a little twist. All right, pop the lid off of that. And if you know me, I say this all the time, I have to drink my smoothie in a mason jar. All right, so this is my meal replacement smoothie. This can be anywhere between 400 to 600 calories, just depending on the day. And this is also something that I would have for breakfast instead of that breakfast sandwich that I made earlier, especially when I don't have a lot of time to make breakfast. So I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna go over to the lab right now because I got some editing to do, and then I'll see you at dinner. All right, it's about 6:30 now. We're gonna make our skewers here, and luckily we invested in our future earlier. This is Toya's favorite time of the day. All right, so we already have the grill fired up, and I say grill because I am using this stovetop grill, one of my favorite investments. We don't have a grill or a way to grill, so this kind of gives me that same sort of feel. So all I'm gonna do here, we're just gonna spray the pan. We got our pan nice and hot. Toya, which one do you want? You want a chicken?
Chicken, please.
All right, I got you. Just like that, little steak action. You look hungry, so we'll go another chicken. So just like I mentioned earlier, always make extra for dinner. And you have some for lunch tomorrow. In this case, I will be going out of town, but Toya has her lunch. She can make these whenever she's ready. So we're gonna flip them over, give them a nice little flip. Ooh, look at that. Just like we got a grill outside. All right, I'm gonna put the steaks off to the side. They're pretty much done. I'm gonna move the chickens to the middle to get that high heat. We're gonna add a little bit of barbecue glaze, about 2 minutes from being done. Not a lot, just enough to make it have that little barbecue flavor. chicken number 2 for you. I'm gonna do a little garnish of green onion. Toya doesn't want green onion, so more for me. All right, so this is my final meal of the day. Cannot wait to eat this. And this was what I eat in a day. So if you haven't learned anything from this entire video, from every single meal that I showed you, know that prepping our foods makes our lives so much easier from day to day. It helps us stay consistent to where we can eat healthy foods every single week consistently. So if you like this video, you like all the foods, please give us a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, go check out Toya's What I Eat in a Day. Hers is completely different from mine, but it still gives you that perspective of how we stay consistent from week to week. If you want to see any of these recipes, make sure you check out the Juice and Toya app. We'll have that available down in the description. Check that out. We have the recipes and everything you need to make these meals. All right, I'm going to enjoy these skewers.
Ooh.
Mmm.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
How is it? Don't lie. It's good, right? All right, Toya approves. Thank you for joining us. See you at the next video.